Hey guys, Eric Rodriguez here with ReviewTheInside.com, and this is my fourth video for what the rich people do and what the poor people do not do. So I want to give you these motivational tips and show you and kind of change your mindset and your daily activities so you could go to the next level and learn things as far as how the rich people are doing things compared to the normal society where they're stuck in a bubble and they don't become rich. So again, this is going to be number 4 of my video series for what the rich people do and what the poor people do not do. So consider subscribing if you want more videos like this. I'm always doing motivational videos. I do reviews on products and services for entrepreneurs to make more money, and I give tips and techniques to help you make your business go to the next level. So let's get right into it. So number 4 is that poor people consider or always focus on saving money. No, rich people focus on investing their money. They're two total separate things, okay? Poor people, they consider going, let's say, I don't know, they go on a flight and they say, no, I want to save a couple dollars because I want to go in coach. Rich people, they don't care. They go and they get the top of the line of everything because it makes them feel good, and that transfers to their work, to their work ethic, because that's what they deserve. You work hard to get good things, all right? And when the poor people are saving, let's say you save a penny, you save that penny and it's still a freaking penny. It does not change. So think about this. Rich people, they invest. They get that penny and they turn it into 25 cents. They get that 25 cents and they convert it into $1. They get that dollar, they change it to 10, to 20, to 50, to 100, etc. They make the money work for them. If you save it and put it away, it goes to sleep. It doesn't do anything. Again, a penny saved is always a freaking penny. Change your ways of thinking. Make money, invest, make more money. Consider every single penny working for you all day long, 24/7. Turn that penny into $100 at the end of the day. Think about that. Remember, this is what rich people do and what the poor people do not do.